All right, welcome again, guys. So it says solve the inequalities. So we did one of this the other day, right? So I bring it back. See if person's good now. So we have to take the inverse of whatever is happening to x, right? I'm not getting my mileage from it. So this is minus 1, so we're going to add 1 to both sides. So we have 3x less than 12. As the 12 plus 1 is going to give us 12, and then we divide both sides by 3, which is the opposite of 10. We would not change around the sign, guys, because guess what? This is positive. Coefficient of x is positive, so it's x less than 4. That's for the first one. The second one says 3x, no, 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 1. I don't know if you guys want to work. I'll probably work it with this on this side. Alright, so I'm gonna subtract 3x from this side. So it will be minus 3x. Of course, you have the plus 2, right? And that will be less than or equal to 1. And then I will get rid of this plus 2 by subtracting 2. And it will minus 1. It will be minus 3x. Both of these are negative, so we add them. Guys, don't change it onto equal sign. Make sure you have the less than or equal sign. And of course, I now divide by negative 3. So I got to turn on the side now, right? So x is greater than 1. So greater than or equal to. Let me see for that. I think that's what you guys do there. What's this one? Oh, yeah, yeah. Some persons add 1 less than or equal to x, which is the same thing. Because, all right, if 1 is less than x, that means that x is greater than 1, right? All right, so the guys, this represent the solution that you did up there, so on the number line below, and you get 2 marks for this. So graph it. This might take a little time to draw. Draw it up, guys, and marks it up. I like this one. All right, so it's represent the solution right now. So look at this, guys. It looks so complex, but remember we already worked out all of it, right? But let me just show you, just like what we did with the other class, that we could work out this as well. So when you do it like this, you can work it out, right? It shouldn't be a problem. All right, so this was one. Minus 1. Oh, now switch. Minus 1. And that to this one here. So we add 1 to both sides, right? Side as well. So this will done. So we know 3x in the middle. And this will have less than. And this will be 12 on this side, yeah? And then we divide by 3. Even if you never give it like that up there, so we could have worked it out by ourselves. 2 times this and that 4. So this is what we work with, right? We can actually turn on this. This is the same as 1 less than or equal to x. This is the same as x greater than or equal to 1, right? We discussed that already. Because if x is less, if 1 is less, that means that x is greater. All right. So now we need to graph it. So x greater than 1 and x less than 4. Pay close attention to this, whether this is the line is equal to, right? So x greater than or equal to 1. So we find 1, and of course, this one should be blocked out. Very important because it have the equal sign. And greater will go in this direction. Now, basically stop at 4. Well, for this one, right? This one should be open, guys. And the ones that are less than 4 would be like it's going this direction. This one is going this direction, and then this one is going this direction. So that will be our solution. We could also use the number lines, the lines as well. So this is how we use the lines. And no one tried that though, but let me show you. Alright, you see the fact that this has the right, this have x greater than. So remember we have x greater than or equal to 1, and then basically x less than 4. So if we are using line, you see that they are solid line because it's equal to. But this one, it will be unbroken, a broken line like that. And then we put a shade of them even. So this one would have been solid, and this one, because it have the equal sign, while this one would be unbroken. It would be broken. When I say unbroken, it would be broken. So two solutions it could have. This one is probably easier, but now nobody got time to draw it in the exam, right? So that's why I show them so you know already. But just make a note of that, guys. When it's equal to, it's blocked out. If it's not equal to, then it's open. When it blocked out means it includes the number. So like when it's at 1, 1 is part of the solution. But with less than 4, so the number is less than 4, it would have been 3, 2, 1, that include, right? But the number of x greater than or equal to 1, we're going to include 1, 2, and we're counting to infinity. So include the number. Why am I going to use so much of it, guys? You can change it with question, right? And ask and stuff like that. Or they can give you the number line something and ask you to write the inequality. So you should be able to do both either way, whichever them do, you should be able to do. Oh, all right. This might take a little while because we have to literally draw. But yeah, a sequence of figures is made from squares of unit length. The first three figures in the sequence are shown below. Draw figure 4 of the sequence. Believe it or not, this is hard, right? A lot of people find this hard, right? To determine which pattern come next. Alright, let me try that. This is not nice fun. So basically, we see them start with 2, right? Then from there, we start continuing up and down. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, and a single one, right? Alright, so this one. So this is our last one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are this, right? And if you notice what they did, they had 3 first, right? 1, 2, 3, and then they just add on 2, 1, 2. And they keep doing that, right? And we can add on the 2 now. And I'm straighten that, guys. And I'm straighten that at it may examine advice, you know. Okay? All right, so 2 marks. Oh, that was actually 2 marks. All right. So part B says, study the pattern of no, and students absolutely hate this. I don't know why. But this can be a little bit fun if they give it a try. It's to study the pattern of numbers in each row of the table below. Each row relates to one of the figure in the sequence of figure 1 and 22. What I will just draw. Some rows have not been included in the table. Complete the rows numbered 1, 2, 3. So that's the first 6 marks. Go ahead, guys. Have fun with that. That might take a little time. They drop the table and so. So go ahead and do that. All right. So basically, it says a study the pattern of numbers in each row of table below. Each row relates to one of the figures in the sequence on page 22, which was the one that we did above, right? Some rows have not been included in the table. Complete the rows numbered 1, so this is a 1, 3, 2, and 3. Alright? So they want the end term. Students normally have problem with the end term. Alright, guys. Let me show you how I do it. I never have somebody with me. But what I normally do is I realize what's happening. So I compare these. Like how these are consecutive, you can just kind of try to figure out the pattern. From 3 to 5, I think it's a yeah, it's a plus 2. It's a plus 2. So when me do, me say that 2 here, it will multiply by 2, right? To call this n as an n term, right? So 2n, something to do with 1, and the answer actually. Oh, n a 1. So, yeah. So that's the first term, right? Then you do something. Put that 1 here, and you end up with 3. So 2 ones are 2, right? And then if you plus 1, they will basically get 3. And you can check it. What they do at times n, so 2 times 2 plus 1, 2 times 4 plus 1, 5. That work. Same thing with this one. 3 times 2 or 2 times 3 rather. Plus 2, 1. That will give you the same. So for this one, we normally find this first. So it's a 2n plus 1. So whatever is happening, this is what they do. 2n plus 1. Same thing for this one. We look at the difference. Or, yeah, difference is with 4. Difference is with 4. So they multiply by some 4, right? So 4 times the first one, which is n, and then do something and then get 8, right? So 4 times that is 1. So basically we can add 4 again to get 8, right? So may I think this will go be 4n plus 4. But we can check with the others to see if it actually works. We work for the first one, right? We could try it for the second one. When n are 2, what do we get? So n are 2, so it will be 4 times 2 plus 4. So 4 2s are 8 plus 4. No 12. I'll try to try again. 4 times n, which is 3 this time, plus 4, we get the 16. So it's consistent. Now that we have this, kind of easy now, right? Because we can just say 2 times 4 plus 1, this will give us 9. And this one I times it by 4. So 4 times 4 plus 4. 4, 4 or 16, and like 20. So what may see nobody do that one? Most is it this. Alright. So for this one now, how easy it is. We know what they did to get it, right? it's 2n plus 1 and then that equals 22. So we solve for n, we have it 22, we divide by 2, right? So n is equal to 11. And if n are 11 here, so we know say that will be 4 times 11 plus 4. See everybody get that 88 though. 4, 11, 44. Oh, hold on. I'm not 88. 40, no. 4, 11, 44, and like 40. It's only 43%. Alright. So that's it be. Because the end term to be 11, right? So that's sure. Let me just check box it. Oh, nobody couldn't say this a 43. Come here, I wonder. Oh, yeah, so this is be 42. So this is 21. So this is 21. Then 21, right? Yeah. 4 times 21 or 4 plus 8, and then you add the 4. Alright, so you guys are actually correct. So this is 88. Alright. They further went on and said something wrong. They said determine the relationship between the number of squares and the perimeter of P of the figure. So I guess the one we compare the P and the perimeter and the N. No, the S number of squares and this, right? When you notice, when you double this and add 2, you get this. So, like, when you double the number of squares and then add 2, you get the perimeter. So 5 2s 10. When you add 2, you get 12. 7 2s 14. You add 2. Same thing with this, right? You double this and add 2. That's the other relationship. So, equals 2. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see if we can do one more. And run so fast. Alright. Mrs. Jack bought 150 t-shirts for 1,920 from the factory. Calculate the cost of one t-shirt. And so the t-shirts are sold at 19.99. Alright, guys. See if we can match it that one more. Alright. So it says Mrs. Jack bought 150 t-shirts at 1,920 from the factory. So this is here. By from the factory, it's a calculate the cost price of one t-shirt. Oh, so one, if you pay a total of 1,920, or you divide by the number of t-shirts, right? So one t-shirt will cost $12.80. If I cost for one. Alright, it says the t-shirt was sold for $19.99. Calculate the amount of money Mrs. Jack received after selling all the t-shirts. So if you're selling for 19.99 and she sold 150, let's go into our calculator. Alright, 180. 19.9. So you get a total of 2998.5. Right? So this is a bigger answer here. The profit need, right? So basically, the profit here will be the extra. So if you pay a total of, because 2998.5, the original was what, 1920? 1920. So we should pay for all of them. So we can just subtract. That's not bad, that's not bad at all. So 2980 minus 1920. Yeah. So this answer what? 1078.57. Now let's say the profit needed as a percentage of the cost price. So this is your profit, right? So you make our money. So it will be profit over the cost price times 100%. Put it on that. So this is the profit, right? 1078, and the cost price was 1920. So 1078.5. Cost price was 1920. What I should write, we find 100%. So check my calculator, should give you 56%. I feel it's a question. Even though I'm tired, guys, let me try part of this. We say, if A is equal to -1, B is 2, C is -3, find the value of A plus B plus C. Then B squared minus C squared, write the following phrases as algebraic expression. 7 times the sum of x and y, the product of two consecutive numbers, when the smaller number is y. They say given that A is -1, B is 2, C is -3, find the value of A, B, C. So let's add -1 plus 2 plus -2. These two are both negative, so it will be 2 to add these two. -3 plus 1, that's -4. Final answer, -2 plus this figure. Alright, b squared minus c squared. Now b is 2, so that's 2 squared minus 3 squared. Alright, so this is going to become positive. We have the minus here, so 4 minus 5. 2 minus 9 will be -5. Alright, this is right. The phrase algebraic expression. 7 times the sum of x and y. So 7 times the sum. Sum means to add, right? So that now. And the final one, 39. The product of two consecutive numbers. The product of two consecutive numbers when the smaller number is y. So guys, consecutive mean one after the other, right? Like say I have 23, 22. So if y are the smaller number, it means the larger number would be y plus 1. So that will be our answer. Because remember, that the number here is going to be 1 greater than the number here. Alright? So guys, I'm going to end for tonight because I'm really tired. We go over the time, see, which is good. So take care, guys, and I'll see you guys on Saturday for those persons who will be on Saturday. And this is the time we need to prepare. 7:30. All right. So see you guys then. And we start back from the simultaneous equation. Of course, I will add more. So that's that. Yeah, factorization as well. All right. So take care, guys. See you guys soon.
Good night, sir. Thanks.
All right. Take care. Take care. No
Bye,
problem.
sir.
Bye. Take care. See you guys Saturday. All right. Just keep working, guys. Don't stop. Don't stop. Watch your code. Watch your seal. Don't put in the room. Put your careful.